Hello, let me show you how an EMC Anechoic Chamber looks like. EMC Anechoic Chamber mainly consists of two components. One is shielded panels or shielded enclosure, and the other main component is RF absorbers. Metallic construction is attached to the building and attached to the metallic panels, and RF absorbers and ferrite tiles are installed on inner surfaces of the chamber. As seen on this figure, it's a cross-section of a semi-anechoic chamber. You can see pyramidal absorbers on the inner walls, and honeycomb air vents are used for air circulation and ventilation of the chamber. Turntable is for rotating the EUT. Honeycomb air vents can be more than one. Metallic panels and are attached together with shielding gaskets and shielding materials. An antenna mast is used for scanning the antenna for proper measurement, and the floor is ground for semi-anechoic chambers. It can be ferrite tiles covered if it is a fully anechoic chamber. If you need more information about EMC Anechoic Chambers, contact TestApps by visiting our website testapps.com.